Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. You looking for the perfect outdoor cushions? These gorgeous cushions from Zupoquk are so wonderful for our outdoor seating. I'm super impressed with the wonderful quality and how comfortable that they are. This is a set of two 24 by 24 cushions, and it also includes beautiful pillows that coordinate with the cushions. The cushions are really well made with lots of really good details. You can see the piping that is all around the edges. It's really well sewn. You can also see that it has places where you can tie everything together so it doesn't move when you're sitting. I also appreciate that all of the stitching on the fabric is really well done. In addition, I'm really impressed with how easily that these cushions dry. We've had them for almost a month and you can see that there's no fading, there's no discoloration from when it has rained. And here in the region that I live in, we have had quite a bit of a rainy early spring, summer, and these cushions are so durable. These cushions fit really well in our outdoor chair that we have, and you could also separate them and put them in individual chairs as well. This gray color is really beautiful. It's so neutral and goes with everything, and the pillows coordinate perfectly. The best part about this time of year when it's super warm is being able to sit outside, but when I do, I want to be comfortable. These dry so easily once it's rained, and so you can easily come back to them and have a seat, have some nice reading time, have some nice outdoor time, and really enjoy the beautiful weather with these awesome cushions. But that's just my point of view.